All right, number 6. If the diameter of a volleyball is 3 times the diameter of a tennis ball, which statement below is true? So the options talk about volume and surface area, so I need to check all of the options. So if the formula for volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed, right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 4/3 pi, and then if it's 3 times the diameter, that means that the radius is also 3 times larger, because the diameter, even though the diameter is twice as big, if you multiply the diameter by 3, you will also have to multiply the radius by 3. So this would be 3r, and then I'm going to cube it. So this ends up being 4/3 pi, and then 3 cubed means 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27 r cubed. So then if I were to divide those two values right here, 4/3 pi times 27 r cubed over 4/3 pi times r cubed, the 4/3 will cancel out, the pi's will cancel out, the r cubes will cancel out. So that means that the volume is 27 times larger, okay? And don't forget, the shortcut is just take your scale factor, which is 3, and raise it to whatever power we have here, which is to the power of 3, which is 27. So choice A says the volume of the volleyball is 3 times the volume of the tennis ball. That's not true. It's 27 times. And the volume of the volleyball is 9 times the volume of the tennis ball. That's also not true. It's 27 times larger. So now let's talk about surface area. Well, surface area, the formula is 4 pi r squared, okay? So if the radius is tripled, then we're going to say surface area here equals 4 pi times 3r squared. Okay? So then this ends up being 4 pi times 3r squared would end up being 9r, because I would square the 3 and square the r. So it would be 9r squared, excuse me. So then I'm going to go ahead and divide those values. So it's 4 pi times 9r squared divided by 4 pi r squared. Well, the 4's cancel out, the pi's cancel out, the r squareds cancel out, so we've got 9. And then again, remember, the shortcut is to just take your scale factor and raise it to the power of 2, so we get 9. So choice C says the surface area of the volleyball is 9 times the surface area of the tennis ball. That's true. Choice D says the surface area of the volleyball is 27 times the surface area of the tennis ball. That's not true, so choice D is our final answer here. Okay? And that's all we have to do for question number 6. If I said choice D is the final answer, I'm sorry, I meant to say choice C is the final answer. All right, that's it. Have a great day. Bye.